The volume price trend (VPT) indicator is a technical analysis tool that helps traders assess the relationship between price movement and trading volume to identify the strength of trends and potential reversals. It works by combining price direction and volume flow into a single line, which rises or falls depending on whether the price closes higher or lower and by how much volume is involved. This makes the VPT a useful momentum indicator, especially in markets where volume data is easily available. Unlike simple volume analysis, which only looks at how much trading activity occurs, VPT adds a directional aspect by showing whether buyers or sellers are dominating the market. When the VPT line moves upward and aligns with a rising price, it suggests that buying pressure is strong and the uptrend may continue. On the other hand, if the price is rising but the VPT line is flat or falling, it could indicate a weakening trend or a possible price reversal ahead. Similarly, if the VPT line confirms a price drop by moving lower with high volume, it reinforces the bearish momentum. Traders often look for divergence between the VPT line and price as a signal. For example, if prices are making new highs but the VPT is not, this bearish divergence can hint that the trend is losing strength. Conversely, if the price hits new lows but the VPT holds steady or climbs, it might signal an upcoming upward reversal. VPT is also used alongside other indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD to get a clearer view of market conditions. In trend-following strategies, traders use the VPT to confirm breakouts or to avoid false signals. In range-bound markets, it can help spot accumulation or distribution phases based on volume behavior. One of the benefits of VPT is its ability to filter out noise from minor price fluctuations by focusing on the combined impact of price and volume. It's widely used in both stock and forex markets, although in forex, volume is typically measured using tick volume instead of real transaction volume.